Hello everyone and welcome to Online Appliance Tech. Today we have a Samsung refrigerator that is not cooling. Both sides are lukewarm. Right here we're going to test for error codes by holding the energy saver button and the lighten button. If it blinks 0000, that means there is no error code. Now I'm going to remove the control board panel to make sure we have no blinking lights on the inverter control board. As you can see here on the inverter control board, there is a red light and it's not blinking, meaning that it is okay. Now I'm going to remove the bottom panel, removing the 4 screws. As you can see here, the condenser coils are fully caked up with lint, which would cause the compressor and the whole system to overwork and not cool properly. What we're doing here is just checking pressures, seeing if we can feel any type of pulsation through the lines, and mainly the discharge line to make sure we feel heat. If we feel no heat from the discharge line, that means that we have either a bad compressor restriction or no freon. In this case, the discharge pressure is lukewarm, meaning if the system is 70 degrees and the compressor is running, this discharge pressure should be a little hot. Right now we're going to hold the power freeze button and the fridge button, and then once activated, the FF will appear. That means we are forcing the compressor to work at 3600 RPMs. Also, if you keep on pressing the buttons, it goes through different modes like defrost and so forth. However, we're going to keep it on the FF mode. Now we know the compressor is amped up, the discharge line should be hot. This is where the discharge line is located. So at this point we do know the compressor is getting power due to the compressor vibration and also a slight pulsation through the lines, and the red light is not blinking. More than likely, you're going to have to replace the evaporator, replace the compressor due to contamination, filter dryer, and condenser, and also have the lines flushed out, so I recommended a professional to repair this refrigerator. And if you take some type of magnetic source to fake the door to think it's closed, you can check the airflow, and like this one, it's a little cold but not too much, indicates freon leak. All I'm doing right here, I'm going to check the discharge line to make sure it is not changing temperature, which this is still the same temp. One thing I can recommend is to have your condenser coils cleaned at least once every 8 months. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.